Good morning, MMTs. Today is 8/7/2012. The time is 6:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, meaning that you got 21 highs and 8 lows on that opening bell with Google, because that's exactly what we did. We identify today, because it's overbought in the short term, is that it's having a much graver hard time at these levels, because when we take a look at exactly where the support level was, it was right here where yesterday's trend broke out. And this is a 3-minute chart. Let's get it all right in here right now. One of the things that we notice in the bid and ask in the high frequency model is that the ask keeps dropping and then selling the bid down. That is reversal material at resistance levels in a 6-minute opening bell print. On this side of the pond, we have the calls that are inflated, the 630s and whatnot, and the 640 calls that were 750. There's 6 by 650 right here. This is that 3-minute chart, and here is the thing. This is going to come down and test this trend line again on this 3-minute right here. That is reversal material that when stocks do get in an overbought range, that the upper end of these resistance levels have some merit, and it supports a short sell for an intraday trade. Once again, you are sliding that royal bid here and now, and the calls over here. So the puts are finally getting their justice. They got a 680 low and a 790, got a $1.10 range on the opening bell. Here they close at 10. 950 the low, you got a $2.10 a range on the 650 put. That, just remember, was marked down, and so was this. However, the support and resistance on the opening bell and going through this first 15-minute bar, it'll be 5 of these 3-minute bars, but I can tell you I haven't seen him sliding that bid on that opening bell as he is right now for a long period of time, because everything has been in a gap mode based on FOMC, Federal Reserve, Jackson Hole this month, all of the world going to be doing everything in September. What do I mean by that? They're going to be injecting more money into the system. Growth is slow, but we're finally getting a cross market in the bid and the ask. We haven't had it. It just started. Today would be day one in a short-term overbought process, where yesterday's high up around the 649 area is at this high is about $5, a little less than $5. So that means that reversals have that resistance. Even in the high frequency model, you'll come down and hit your lower support levels like you're breaking right here, and this put options are getting value. Okay, but let us remember the value of this 645 is not even back. It's still imbalanced in price, even at this price level, because last week we had a huge move in Google to the upside. So this side of the market is starting day one is that we finally have a cross market and selling the bid down, which takes the put option value higher. So we do want to keep that awareness with our entries and our exits based on 47 lows. And the thing about it is we haven't had 47 lows on the open in many weeks because it's been in a very strong uptrend. But now it's going to have to trade down and fill in the back end of these price channels and bring these calls down. And when these calls come down to a certain level, let's say this call here comes down to $7.50 on the 630. That's my bid for the 630 call. Okay, that's in the money. Okay, now I'm going to go over here and buy the 640 call because I've been waiting. There were $7.25 on the close. I'm going to put a bid out here at $1.70 because this would be ultimately the 640 during a weekly expiration would fit my what price zone if we can break and make more lows. Right now we have a low and that electronic tape is coming right in there. You can see how those buys work with the high frequency machines. It's very easy. They print the ask and go higher off of the bottoms.